Hi everybody, good morning. Annette Ornelas here, Southwind Designs. Today I am filming the clue number 5 that actually puts everything together into a really neat little block. And in order for you to do that, you have to have done clue 1 through 4. Clue 1 was a 4 patch, 3 of them in the same block. Clue 2 have those little wings here, added on to 2 4 patches. Clue 3 was a little accent, and clue 4 is the last 4 patch with a little frame around it, so to speak. So when you put it together, can you guess what it's going to be? It is going to be a heart. So now you see that this block still doesn't work like that, so what we have to do is add a 2.5 by 6.5 inch strip to the sides of the heart. So you could leave it like this, or you could also switch these little pieces around so things don't meet exactly. You don't have all the same fabric. But if it happens that you have all the same fabric, it's not a problem. It's just something that, you know, is part of your creation. It's part of your random scrappiness. And, you know, it's not about perfection. It's about making these little hearts. And I'm calling these, which I might actually publish them out in a pattern later on, I'm calling these healing hearts. And I figure we can make a lot more during this time that we're in. And let's see how fast our quilts can grow. And maybe you can make another one. So in order for you to make this, I'm going to move this over just a little bit. And this is my first part. I'm going to sew this strip on. And let's see. Here we go. And here is the other one that I'm sewing on. And once you sew these on, these side strips, you're going to press them out. So now the pressing becomes apparent. I'm always pressing away from the folded pieces in that case. So, no feeder. I'm going to press away from the folded piece here. And now we're going to put together a heart block. Okay. So the first one is like a little bit like a 4 patch itself, 4 pieces. Okay, so now this was pressed in and this is pressed out, so those things will fit together really neatly. So the first one, okay, and here is the other one. And make them behave here. So let's see, my little feeders. I usually run 2 at a time. And this one presses away from that. That one presses to the other side. And so this goes together. Okay. All right. Last seam, the long seam. Okay. And now this one. Uh-oh. Says I'm running out of bobbin at just the right time, of course. No. And we're out. Okay. Let me just switch another bobbin in here. I'm just going to grab one. And can you believe that? Okay. Let me put my bobbin in real quick. I guess this is called the show effect. Anytime you want to show something, stuff happens. Okay. So now Unfortunately, I have a blue bobbin and a beige top, but it's all good. It'll work for this time. Okay, so let me pick up where I left off here. All right. And works all the way through. So sometimes in your 4-patch, it's not going to work, and then I flip it to the other side. Let me do another one to show you. So here is the bottom. Here is a side and another side. And we're going to need the longer side strips. Okay. And the top piece, I hope you can see that. Okay. So I'm going to do this one. Right sides together. And the small quilt takes 16 hearts and the large one 24. And this has the wing on the other side, the little strip here. Okay. All right. Okay, a little clip. And you're going to press away from the folded pieces. So this goes here. And press away from the folded piece here. And this goes here. And this is the previous one I did, where I ran out of bobbin. And look, pretty cool, huh? Here's your heart, a healing heart. And let's get this one together. Top. And it fits, locks in with the seam. Okay, next one. This seam goes pressed this way and this is pressed that way, so it locks together. So let's say your 4 patches are pressed the other way. This one fits exactly, but just in case you have that happen, what I do is I take one layer of the 4 patch and I flip it open, and that creates enough of a little bump to have a accurate meeting point here on the other side. Okay. And let me get a little feel. Okay. So the top gets pressed to the right, the bottom gets pressed to the left. That's going to make those seam allowances again. Okay. And putting it together. And here we're going to match this up. All right. Last seam. And come on. Here we go. Last one. And we're through. Okay, let's see how this one looks. Very nice. See, this one is, you got warm colors, cool colors, any kind of colors. Even if you mixed all this up, it would still be beautiful. So keep on making your hearts. And for the settings, which I'm going to show you the next time, the settings, you'll need 16 for the first setting and 24 for the larger setting. So I will see you then. And don't forget to check out my website, southwindquilts.com, my blog spot, southwindinspirations.blogspot.com, and subscribe to my YouTube to see more of these videos. Bye. Have a great day.